Okay, let's access our assignment by going to Google Classroom, November 28th, 30, and Section 4, Developing Financial Literacy. Okay, when you get there, I want you to go to page 7, and everything that we're doing today will have November the 30th at the top of it. Okay, the assignment might look a little different than this, but the instructions will be the same. Okay, so uh, first of all, let's find out the average cost of regular gas today, and I want you to Google that. If you Google that, you should get a page like this, and or something like this. And I looked at the average cost of gas in Dallas today is $2.95. So I'm going to put that in my class kick. Don't forget about your $sign. Now, if gas prices were to increase monthly at a rate of 3.2%, how much will gas cost 6 months from now? Okay, remember this is per gallon. This is $2.95 a gallon. So let's go ahead and get a spreadsheet going. I am going to click on a plus sign and wait on my little Google waffle to show up. You know, if it takes too long, you could just Google Sheets and get it that way. But I just wait for this and then go to Sheets. All right. Let's get a blank spreadsheet going. All right. I'm going to make this much larger. Okay. All right. So, and I'm just going to call this again my work. All right. So, I am going to put $2.95 here. And since I want this to be money, I'm going to go ahead and click on my money sign there. Okay. All right. So, let's figure out what will be the cost of gas next month. In order to get the cost of gas next month, I'm going to type equals, and I'm going to type A1. That's where my cost of gas is. And I'm going to multiply that. That is shift 8 times 1.032. Okay, that's how you do a This is how you do a 3.2% increase. And if you do that, you'll get $3.04. Again, I want you to see the formula. A1 times 1.032 to perform a 3.2% increase for next month. Okay? If we want to do it for next month, all we have to do is just drag this formula down, and that gives us the increase for the second month. And let's drag it again for the third month. You get the picture. So if I want to find the cost of gas for 6 months from now, remember I already started in cell in A1, so I need to go 6 months from that. That would be cell A7. All right. So the cost of gas 6 months from now is $3.56. So let's go to class kick and let's put $3.56. All right. Now this is per gallon. All right, per gallon. And just to make it clear, I'm going to go per gallon. All right. And this is also per gallon. Okay. So you could also do it like this. All right. So what car would you drive to school if you could? All right. I'm gonna think of a car. Not one car that I like is what have I got? Let's see. I'm going to go with a Ford. Not a Ford. Yeah, let's go Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang. All right. Let's find the fuel capacity for a Ford Mustang. Okay. What is the size of a gas tank of a Ford Mustang? That's something else I want to Google. So let me Google that. What is the size of fuel tank in a Mustang? And let's see, I wanted a new Mustang, so let's go 224. So we'll Google that. And it looks like the fuel tank capacity of a Ford Mustang is 16 gallons. 16 gallons. So let's go back to our class kick. And I know that this tank is 16 gallons. I'm going to use my text tool. 16 gallons. And if I want to find the cost to fill up a 16-gallon tank, then I'm going to multiply that times 2.95. That's the cost today. So I can do this on my spreadsheet as well. I'm just going to go right here and put an equal sign, and I'm going to go A1 times 16. So the cost of filling a fuel tank up today is $42.20. Notice that it also did an auto fill for the next 6 months. I'm going to keep all of that. So the cost of filling the fuel tank today would be $47.20. Next month it would be $48. On now, 6 months from now, it would be $57.02. That actually answers a lot of the questions that we have here. So here I'm going to put, I believe it was $47.20. Because yours is going to be different because you probably have a different car. So let's go ahead and put in the cost 6 months from now. $57.02. Yeah. So make sure that to show your work for all of these that you save that you paste your spreadsheet. So let's go back to our spreadsheet. Make sure you click on share. Make sure you take it off of restricted and put it on Dallas School District. Copy the link. Hit done. Go to class kick. And we'll put it, we can put it really anywhere on this page actually. Let's see. I'm going to just click on my link here. Let's call it my work. And to paste the URL, you wanna press Control V. Hold down the Control and hit V, and then save. And then you can put this anywhere, or just put it somewhere in there, or you can probably put it down here. It doesn't matter, just as long as you put in one of those. All right. Without the spreadsheet, the spreadsheet is half of the points. So in order for you to get the whole 100 points, you need to have all these filled in, and all your work must be shown on the spreadsheet.